Hi, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I like to unbox things. I like to vlog vacations, and I also like to vlog and review food all around the world. Quick disclaimer, there is a link to a giveaway down below, and it is my birthday month, so we'll see how uploads go. I have something here for you that is a very small unboxing. It's, and what I'll probably actually do is combine two unboxings just because it is so very small. But the first thing I have for you is this, and it's from Boxycharm. I don't know why they sent this separately than my Boxycharm, but this is what I got with some of my points. And I got House of Lashes, a pair of lashes. And that's it. I have no idea why they didn't send these with my Boxycharm. It's kind of weird, but whatever. Okay, so the next unboxing I have for you is the gentleman's box. And this is what it looks like when I open up the box. And this box subscription is $30 a month or $29.99. If there is a link, an affiliate link, I will post that down below. It comes with a little magazine, and my husband did tell me that it does give you the products and the prices in here, so I will look at. So the first thing I am seeing is a $50 gift card to Bright Cellars. I have never heard of this box subscription. We did a wine box subscription once. It was not this, and I don't know, it just really wasn't, I don't know, we couldn't get into it. The wines that they sent us, I think that we liked maybe one or two of the 6 bottles of wine, so the bottles of wine just kind of went to waste. And so here is the burrito. And let's see, so the first thing I am pulling out here is a pair of socks. And they look like that, and those are pretty or cute or whatever. And they retail for $12. The next thing I am pulling out is this tie. I like that. That's pretty cool. I like the color. I love my husband when he wears blue. Let's see, and that retails for $29. And then the next thing I am pulling out here is a vegan wear for the modern man. Oh, and it's a wallet, a vegan leather wallet. Now, my husband probably will not use this. He does not carry a wallet. He carries like a credit card clip sort of a thingamajiggy. But let's see. That retails for $25. And then the next thing I am pulling out here is Gentleman's Essentials. And this is a pocket square. Again, that's really pretty colors. I really like the color scheme this month. I love it when my husband wears blue. Let's see. So the pocket square is $19. And then the last thing is a tie clip. And it comes in this little baggie. And it looks like a little sword. And that retails for $15. So this was a nice box. I like this stuff. I mean, they're personal favorites of me, so I like the colors, and I'll love seeing them wear these colors. So that is, what did I call this thing? The gentleman's box. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.